That was for the thumbnail. What's going on, guys? Investment Coach Chris here, and today we're going to talk about my interpretation of the S&P 500, which currently, as you know, it's a measuring stick for the U.S. economy. I actually am more in line with Jim Cramer and with the value investors now. I think we should be looking for a reversal. So this is my interpretation. Click the link in the description box if you want to check out my Patreon and support my stock picks. Stay in touch, and yeah, check out edutrade.org or my Patreon. Links are in the description. And yeah, basically I'm here to try to show you guys about some stocks. So let's do it. All right, so one thing I want to focus on is right here. This is the S&P. This is the SPX 180-day 4-hour chart. I'm using Thinkorswim, so if you don't know what Thinkorswim is, check out some other videos. It's basically a really good program through TD Ameritrade. But basically, we're looking at a 180-day 4-hour chart. So each one of these candlesticks represent a 4-hour chart, and it's 180 days. So if I double click and click out, you'll see that we have this little pattern where we're going up and down, and then the S&P now decides to go into a bearish state and drop down. But if you look right here, if you really zoom in, you can see that we drop down, we pull up, and we're dropping down. I actually feel that we're actually in an ascending up channel. I actually think we're actually ascending upward. Even though we've had a lot of red days recently, I still think we're actually heading in an upward channel, which a lot of people are disagreeing with me on this, but I think we are. And if we check way over here to the other side of the chart, we have a 5-day, 5-minute chart. Now, just check out the channel I've drawn here, the 5-day, 5-minute chart. We're in an ascending pattern, and we're pulling back, but we have a steady increasing line down here. This line right here is a steady increasing line showing an upward trend. And I'll show you right down here what I mean through here. We have an upward movement and then a down. And yeah, we didn't get it quite as high, but our lowers are still gradually going up. So I see this, double click right here. I actually see this pattern as, there we go. I see this pattern right here. I see it as scaling back up into a potential new high. And then we come back down to our 20-day 1-hour chart. And I think we're gonna pull back up towards this higher channel right here. Just because, look, we stay in these uptrending patterns, 180-day 4-hour chart, bounce, bounce, bounce. We're actually still bouncing on an upward turning green line. It's just started to go horizontal. But as it goes horizontal, I think it's just getting ready for a big pop-up move. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Investment Coach Chris, and you stay tuned for more of these stock videos.